Sometimes I fired something and it's not important. What's important is the end.
Ceramic arts have been part of the realm of art since the beginning. Time has evolved, generation has passed, and ceramic arts continue to prevail. Ceramics have arguably been amongst the few mediums to have persevered through thousands of years. The oldest known ceramic artifact is dated as early as 28,000 BCE, during the late Paleolithic period. And with that, ceramic artists are really rare and a gem. So who are these artists you must know? Here are ingenious ceramic workers with skills you must see. By the way, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our engaging videos. And use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now let's get into it. You should know this name, Grayson Perry. Grayson Perry is nothing but radical. While he's been cited as an artist who happens to make ceramics, his ceramic pieces need no introduction. No matter how alternative and broad his practice finds itself, he will always be known for his ceramics. After dabbling in ceramics during his time in art school, Perry took up pottery classes and picked up the basics, allowing him to get his grounding on the medium. Instead of sitting at the potter's wheel, he sat at the table. Perry took to a process that involved hand-building coils as opposed to throwing on the wheel. Within a few months, he was making vases some 60 to 70 centimeters high. Perry's hand-built works, such as Men Have Lost Their Spirits, have sold for over 50,000 pounds at auction. He draws on the enormously rich history of ceramics, along with adhering to a wide range of techniques that the medium allows. Get to know Shigekazu Nage. Shigekazu Nage blends technical brilliance with artistry in his works. As one of the leading pioneers of porcelain casting and firing techniques in Japan, he transcends the stereotypes of mass production of porcelain in his techniques. Nage starts with two slightly different ikomi molds, a technique that makes thinner and more complicated shapes possible as compared to those using a potter's wheel. Nage casts them with liquid porcelain, creating two eggshell-thin forms that are suspended inside one another within the kiln. Under intense heat, the final firing process allows these forms to fuse, bend, and drape around each other. This organic procedure of using the element of heat results in elegant shapes and lyrical curves in Nage's works, one form mirroring the other in fluid harmony. And also Yunhee Lee. In precise ceramic works, Lee portrays stories, fairy tales, and individuals experiencing fear, anxiety, or desire. I consider my work as an amphitheater where stories are told, Lee says. I started working as if I was playing with dolls. She often melds narratives of Western literature with traditional Eastern ceramic techniques. And she's drawn to optimistic stories that she calls cures, wherein a protagonist can overcome hurdles and achieve self-discovery. The resulting works are exuberant, fantastical scenes and figures in porcelain, which are at times glazed with intricate patterns and gold accents. Much of her recent work has taken Dante's Divine Comedy as a point of departure, depicting the journey of a young heroine as she navigates hell, purgatory, and heaven. Anita Regal is also included in our list. Regal's raw, anthropomorphic sculptures are inspired by human figures and nature, like the rocky landscape of northern Poland, where she grew up, though they are also autobiographical and fantastical. She seeks to represent states of metamorphosis and conflict, and the passage of time in her works, often by firing them several times and incorporating objects other than clay, like volcanic rocks and feldspars. Interaction between those materials is essential in forming shapes, Regal says. Rocks are pushed to their bursting point and lava state, and objects are often capturing the moment of passage from one state to another. These artists have proven to the world that ceramics is still a live art. What do you think about these ingenious ceramic workers with skills you must see? Let us know in the comment section below. And hey, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.